into the terminal, and then we're going to pass through immigration. After immigration, we're going to pick up our baggage. Then we're going to pass through customs, and I'm going to show you where you can take a taxi and where you can take a metro, and where the train leaves from, and where you can buy some tickets. And then we're going to end this trip report off and this arrivals video. Excuse me, I'm hicking here. And well, let's go. Just follow the signs here. Arrivals. Looks like we're going to have to take an escalator upstairs. Maro. No, we can just take the stairs up. Just pulling Maro up there. Hopefully the immigration is just up here, upstairs ahead of us. I'm sure there are some long queues there already. And exit baggage claim, and we just follow the halls all the way straight down to the end until we meet the immigration. A lot of artwork here on the walls, very wooden floors also. A lot of building going on, you can see over there on the left hand side. This airport is continuously evolving. There's Thai Airways right on my right. And we're following the signs to exit. It's called exit, they should rather call it arrivals, I'd say. But here we are heading for the immigration, which is just ahead. I'll turn off the camera as soon as we get to immigration, as we're not allowed to film there. And we'll turn the camera on again once we pass through the immigration. So, here's immigration. I'll turn off the camera now. We just passed immigration, and now we continue on down to baggage reclaim. Keep following the signs ahead, exit signs here. Now there's something written baggage reclaim. Just straight ahead and you'll get to the baggage reclaim area. On the escalator we go again. And that should bring us straight down to the baggage reclaim area now. Smell the smell of kerosene or jet fuel down here. We're so close to the runway. And we go. Well, the first thing we've got to do down here by the baggage counter is check the TV screens to see which baggage counter our luggage is on, or which it'll be coming from. We'll turn left here. And we're continuing. Straight ahead we've got another sign. We came from Istanbul. So you look at the sign, you can see it's on baggage belt 6. And it should be running already. Off we go. You can fetch trolleys over there, should you need them. The dogs arriving over there. Odd size baggage and pets. And here's our baggage belt. Maro's off to find us a good position, I can see. Let's hope our baggage has arrived. It's not funny when it doesn't come. Dogs are happy.
Happy to get out of there.
Yeah. So there we go. Here comes one of our luggages. It's Maro's.
Yes.
Lucky for her.
Oh, that's nice.
You got it. Yep.
That gave a little bit of sweat.
Definitely gave sweat. Finally, my luggage arrived. I thought mine was lost. It took a long time. It's one of the last ones to come out now. Just look how dirty it is also. There we go. You have to be very quick there. I'll get it over here. So I'm very happy for that. I got a bit worried. There we go. And we got our final luggage.
Yes. Always a nice feeling.
Always a nice feeling. The luggage is wet. It's really been out in the rain. So let's go over here. So now we have our baggage. Next stop is going through customs. I can't film that either. So I'll turn off the camera just before customs, and just as we come out of customs, I'll turn it on again so you can see what it's like to arrive at Copenhagen Airport. So coming up to Copenhagen Airport, customs now, closing the camera. And here we are, Copenhagen Airport arrivals. First thing I'll do is take you to the taxi area. This is what it looks like. Maro, I'm just going to show the viewers where the taxi area is. Yeah. Go through here. See, it's written there, taxis and charter buses. Up ahead, I'm just going to go up there, have a look, turn around, go in again. And then we'll show you where the trains and metro depart from.
That you have. It's not that I think it's not fair, huh?
It's also the smoking area out here. You also need a smoke after a long flight. Oh, here you go. Got the taxi queues over here. The airport hotels are straight ahead over there also, very easy to walk to. And I can say taxis run on a meter. Here you don't have to worry about getting ripped off. It is a fixed, well, not a fixed system, a meter system. Just over there on the left, that's the smoking area. So let's go back in. I'll show you where you can buy tickets for the regional trains and for the Copenhagen Metro. I'll wait for the door here. And then we go back inside. Of course, you would go in the direction of whatever transport you have chosen. Maybe somebody's meeting you here at the airport. They'll be standing in this area here when you get here or come out of arrivals. It's the arrivals area there. So let's go through. Normally when Maro and I leave, we go to Burger King up there. So let's just go a little bit straight ahead down towards the train. There we have Maro. It's pretty busy, isn't it? I think a lot of people are leaving for their winter holidays now. So down here in the corner are the regional trains. One to the right, one to the left. The one goes to Malmö. The other one goes towards Copenhagen, up towards Helsingør or Helsingør, I believe it's called in English. And the tickets for that can be purchased down here at the end. We'll be passing them, that red up ahead. Follow the signs. Buses also this way. Parking sellers. There you go. Spår 1, track 1. That's the one that goes towards Malmö. You can see over there. Just behind those people. So if you're going to Malmö, you would go down in that direction there. Over here you would buy the tickets for the trains. I think the Malmö trains have a separate ticket counter. Yes, they do. They are just over here. So look for the SJ for Malmö. I believe you can also buy on the Copenhagen ones. They're also on train. Now if you're going towards Copenhagen, we're going to go in this direction. Over next to Pret-a-Manger. Track 2 will take you to Copenhagen Station and up the coast. If you're heading in towards the city, track 2 is the way to go. Otherwise you're going to want to go upstairs. That's where Maro and I are going now, where the metro is, and you can take that into the city. Up we go. Again, as mentioned, airport hotels are just over there. That's the Clarion, used to be the Hilton Hotel. There's a new one being built just next to it, which should be opening, I believe, in March this year. Metro tickets have also probably been purchased on the ticket machines downstairs, the vending machines, and they are straight ahead out there. So straight in that direction behind the signs, that's where the metro is. So there you go. Those of you watching the trip report, those of you who have been watching the arriving at Copenhagen Airport video, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed either of these videos or both of them, please do leave us a like down below. Please also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and comment for sure. Let us know what you would like to see on our channel and what you enjoyed. And yeah, we'll see you on the next video. So it's bye bye from me, Maxi.
From me, Maro.
And we'll see you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.